It doesn't matter. I feel better now. You know, I haven't cried in 2 years. I came out here last night to see if our theater was still standing, and there it was. And right there, I cried. First time in 2 years. It made me feel better. Lighter, somehow. See? I am not crying anymore. So now you're a writer. You're a writer and I'm an actress. We both got sucked into the whirlpool. That was such a happy life back then. You know, we were still children. I'd wake up in the morning singing. I was in love with you. I was in love with fame. And now, now I gotta wake up early in the morning to catch a train to Yulitz. And in Yulitz, I have to deal with the attentions of dirty-minded businessmen who claim to love art. A horrible life.